Thank you. This is credit number 394. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Now I heard Seabird actually said that this dive has a lot more force to it than the others. It'll be really interesting to experience it because I've experienced Iron Menace. So it's good to see how kind of like the one that started it all feels.
Creatures need your adrenaline to live. Scream in terror for me. I need it. Your
Whoa! Oh, there's something there. Oh, there's car keys right there. Yeah! Whoa! Oh, whoa! Right.
That's not enough. Not nearly enough. Scream! Louder! Scream!
Oh, it's just gonna let me go. I thought it was gonna trim it. It faked me out. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! And here we go. It's the Dorito Hill. It's delicious. Surprisingly, that finale hill was more intense than the Dorito Hill. But overall, this is actually pretty good. I like this more than the Iron Menace already. It's like, I mean, again, it's probably because it's an empty train and it's a little chilly this morning, but it's great. I mean, the Immelman's fun, the drop is always great, and that zero G roll it does afterwards, it's got some good hang time in it.
Don't forget to pick up items that were left in lockers. Thank you for riding and enjoy the rest of your day here at Six Flags Fiesta, Texas.
This is best.
Well, the magnets come a little close to the drive tires there. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Dr. Diabolical's Cliffhanger.